Welcome to Crypto College. I want to talk about the 15-minute rule that I follow in doing longs or shorts. And let me show you what I mean by that. So we're in a 15-minute time frame, and this is Rune USDT. Let's look here. Let me blow this up a little bit. So this is the 200 EMA, right? You see this line right here? That's 200 EMA. 15 minutes is trying to push up. Now, let's look back here about, what time is it now, 12:30? So about an hour and a half ago, it was trying to push up and then it got pushed down, right? So usually what I say is if you're going to do a long, wait for the 15 minutes to have pushed up on the 200 EMA. It should be above the 200 EMA, not below. Because then you run into the chance that it's going to, this is a strong resistance, right? So it's gonna push down on it, and then you have to wait for it to go up again. So the best thing to do is wait for it to clear. I know the trade looks really awesome. Even a few minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, looking at the 3-minute and looking at the 30. You can see 30 is turning up. Looking at the 1 hour, looking at my 4 hour, all looks good. It's all headed up. But the main thing is that I want to make sure that the 15-minute is crossed over and it's on the top. It's perfectly aligned here. RSI, you can see it's pointing up, it's going up. So just wait for that. Do not be in a rush to jump on a trade because it will hit your stop loss. Like if we had jumped on earlier when it was going up and everything looked great, it would have hit your stop loss. And stop loss means losses, right? Every time it hits your stop loss, it burns a little bit of money. Whatever your stop loss, 10%, 20%, 30%, it burns that, right? So it is better to wait. I had mentioned before in my videos that I go on CoinMarketCap and I look at what's going on with the market cap. So today it is showing 1.68 trillion. And you see right here, green, positive 1.67. So it looks good for long. That means money is coming into the crypto market. When it's red, that means money's being pulled out. So that is probably a cautious time. If you're going to do a long, be cautious with it. But for now, long looks good. The only thing is I would wait for this to cross, to go on the upside of the 200 EMA. And then I would again check my entry, which is 3 minutes. And I would wait for the 3 minutes to go down, bounce it off from here. And then when it starts heading up, I will look at my volume. If the green moon is still there, I don't have to wait because it's good. But if for some reason when it's going down, there's a red moon, then I will have to wait for the green moon again on my 3 minute. And the trend, as you can see here, it is green. So that is good. That would work. So those three things have to be, aligned. Again, I keep saying do not be in a rush because you can only lose when you're in a trade. If you're in the sideline, you never risk your money. You never lose your money, right? So when we enter a trade, we have to be very careful. We have to watch all the time frames and see what they're doing. Now, more than likely, it will push up. It will take a little bit of time. It will push up, and then we can jump on a long trade. So I just wanted to show this briefly. I just wanted to show this rule for the 15-minute that I follow. And I hope that this will help you. And this example right here shows that we don't want to be part of, when it's pushed down, it bounces and then goes down and it hits your stop loss, or it's a lot of emotional drain. And I don't want to be waiting for it. So I'd rather just go have cleared the 200 EMA, and then jump on my trade and just take a long from then on. Still would use a stop loss, but as you can see, I'm on a 3-minute right now, and there was a very slight pullback, but I think it's going to proceed long once it clears the 15 minutes. Okay, so that was it. And with that, as always, safe trading.